Have you ever wondered what chromosomes do in our body? These fascinating structures nestled within each of our cells are like biological libraries. Each organism has a unique count of these libraries known as chromosomes, which contain the blueprints for life. From a tiny amoeba to the majestic blue whale, each creature's life story is penned in these microscopic volumes. They hold the secrets of our being, influencing everything from our appearance to our predisposition to certain health conditions. Intriguing, isn't it? How these tiny structures play such a crucial role. Now, imagine chromosomes as the primary vaults of our genetic codes. Inside each chromosome lies a wondrous molecule known as DNA. This DNA is composed of a chain of units, each one called a gene. Picture these genes as unique blueprints, each one coding for a specific protein that our cells need to function properly. These proteins are like the workhorses of our body, performing a vast array of tasks, from building our tissues to powering our metabolism. And it all starts with the genes in our chromosomes. Like a master librarian, each chromosome carefully manages its collection of genetic blueprints, ensuring that the right protein is produced at the right time in the right place. This remarkable orchestration is what allows our bodies to grow, develop, and respond to the world around us. So chromosomes are like a library of genetic information, each one holding a unique set of books. Did you know your chromosomes decided your gender? Now, let's delve into the intriguing world of sex determination. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, and it's one special pair that plays a pivotal role in determining our sex. This pair is aptly named the sex chromosomes. In our cells, women typically have 2 X chromosomes, making up their pair, while men have 1 X and 1 Y chromosome. This difference is crucial. When a child is conceived, it receives 1 sex chromosome from each parent. The mother, having only X chromosomes, always passes on an X. The father, on the other hand, can pass on either an X or a Y. If the father passes on an X chromosome, the child will develop as a female. If a Y chromosome is passed on, a male child develops. It's fascinating, isn't it, how one chromosome can determine whether we develop as a male or female. Chromosomes aren't just about storing information, they're also the quality control managers during cell division. Picture this. When a cell decides to divide, a process called mitosis, it's like a city preparing to clone itself. Each building, each street, each park must be perfectly replicated. In our cellular city, the chromosomes are the architects, holding the blueprints for each structure. During mitosis, chromosomes ensure that each new cell, or daughter cell, is an exact copy of the original, or parent cell. They do this by meticulously passing on the correct genetic information, the DNA, required for the cell to grow and develop properly. It's like handing over a detailed instruction manual for building a city, where each gene is a specific set of instructions for a particular task. So chromosomes are the guardians of our cellular integrity, making sure each new cell is a perfect copy. Chromosomes also play a vital role in directing the assembly of proteins. Now, proteins aren't just the building blocks of our bodies, they're the workers that keep the whole system running smoothly. It's like a factory where each worker has a specific job, and the factory can't function if even one worker doesn't do their part. So how does this factory work? Well, the DNA within our chromosomes is like a blueprint, providing the instructions for each protein's construction. Each gene within the DNA specifically codes for a particular protein, ensuring that the right workers are always available for the job. But where do these proteins hang out when they're not hard at work? Right within the coiled structure of the chromosomes. Bound to the DNA, these proteins assist in the proper packaging of the DNA, maintaining the orderliness required for efficient function. In essence, chromosomes are the maestros of the cell, orchestrating the symphony of life. It's clear that chromosomes are far more than just microscopic structures in our cells. They are the custodians of our genetic code, the directors of our sex determination, the overseers of our cell division, and the orchestrators of our proteins. They hold the blueprint that makes us who we are, ensuring the right information is passed on for growth and development. So next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're looking at the wonderful work of chromosomes.